Hey guys, and welcome back to part 4 of the Red Polo series. In this video we'll be polishing the car and getting it look really nice. I think this will be the best improvement to the car we've made so far, so stick around till the end to see how it looks. As you can see, we've already done a bit off of the camera, and look how shiny that is. It looks so much better than it did before, and this is what it looked like before for comparison. That's before polishing, and that's after polishing. Look at it, so nice. Okay, let's get polishing. Already got some polish on, so let's see how this thing works. Oh, I threw it everywhere. Right, first round of polishing done. Let's wipe this off, see how shiny it comes out. These bits we're going to have to do by hand because the machine can't get in there. But it shouldn't be too hard. Look at this, it's looking great already. Of course the grain has to ruin it. Oh, look at that. That looks so good compared to how it was before. Wow. Have a look at that. So shiny. And with the power of video editing, all of the door and the top of the door has been polished. Look how much better that is compared to that fender. These bits are now amazing. Hopefully this will make the car stand out more when we put it up for sale. So yeah, onto the fender now. Okay, full panel time. Right, polished the front bit, front panel, and now I'm just wiping it off to make it very, very shiny. Right, we've got all that washed off, and look at how shiny it is on this side. We've only done half, but look at that. So much better now. Really looking good. Okay, next up is the bonnet. This is going to be the fun part, it's such a big panel. Just done off the bonnet. Just look at the difference. The camera doesn't do it justice, honestly, but the red in real life looks amazing, honestly, so good. So now we're going to do the other half of the bonnet and all of this side and the roof and the boot and everything else. So yeah. Now all of the bonnet is done. Wow. Look how much better it looks already. Across the whole car we've done so far. It looks so shiny. Okay, next up we've got this panel. Oh no, that's actually already been done. Cool. Got this door, this back panel, the boot, which you can't see because it's open, the roof, and then that should be everything. I am thoroughly impressed. But before we do the next bit, we're gonna have to clean this thing because it is really clogged up, so it's like getting stuck and not working as well. So yeah. Right, we've now got all of the right side done. Just look at how shiny this thing is. I know I've said this about a million times in the video, but I can't like get over it. It looks so good. Let's go closer. Oh, look at that. It's almost like it was never sat under a tree for 6 years. I don't know how many years ago 2017 was. It's gone so fast. Anyway, next thing up is the boot. We're going to have to take the spoiler off of this so we can get behind there, and we're going to polish all of that. Get that looking nice, and then got the roof to do as well, and then that'll be it, I think. So after we've polished everything, I'll give you a quick walk around of the whole car, and yeah. Just taking off the spoiler, and look at all that. That's going to have to come off. There we go, all cleaned off, looking way better now. Okay, boot's done now. Again, looking much better than it was. We're going to put everything back on, badges. However, with this, we're going to paint this spoiler using black paint if we have any, so it will look way better. And it will look more like this one. As you can see, this is way better than the one over there. So yeah, we're going to paint it if we have any paint. And next up to polish is the roof, and then we're done. Got those back on. Just been told we don't have any paint, so we're going to leave the spoiler off for now and get it painted another time when we can get some. Don't know if it'll be in this video or not, but it will be in one in the future, trust me. And now the final bit, the roof. Okay, we did some things off camera. First off, we finished the roof, looking amazing. And we finished polishing the whole car now. So I'll just give you a quick walk around so you can have a good look at how much this thing has transformed. Honestly, this is such a major improvement. It's definitely going to make the car stand out as a good project for someone. Just look at it, so good, so shiny. I've also cleaned the windows inside and out because they were a bit gross. So now you can actually see through them, and you can see me in them, which is good if you want to see me, I guess. Yeah, that's everything we've done really. So I think that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. As usual, please like and subscribe if you did, and hit the bell to stay tuned for the next video, in which we'll be doing some fault finding and fixing, such as the indicators and windscreen wipers and whatever else happens. You'll see in the video, so keep an eye out for that. I'm sorry that this video wasn't really a talking one. We kind of just wanted to crack on really, not really talk as much as we do in the other ones, but I hope you all enjoyed the video nonetheless. And as usual guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.